Look around you. Wherever you may be, computers are everywhere. We use them to chat with friends, finish homework, and play games. But have you ever stopped to ask, what actually is a computer? A computer is basically an electronic device that processes, stores, and manages data based on instructions. It can also do fast calculations and control other machines. People around the world speak different languages. Just like that, computers understand a language called the binary language, which has only two numbers, 0 and 1. The computer then translates the billions of zeros and ones and converts them into forms we can understand, like photos, videos, music, and websites. To do all this work, a computer relies on two main components, hardware and software. Hardware. These are the physical parts you can touch. These include the external parts like the screen and keyboard, and internal parts like the CPU and hard drive. Software is the part you can't touch. It is a set of instructions that tells the hardware exactly what to do, such as browsers or apps. You can think of hardware like the car and software like the driver. But how are we actually able to use the software? That's the role of an operating system. Operating systems are like the type of system software. They act as a bridge between software and hardware. It makes it easy for you to click a button and get the computer to respond. Examples of operating systems include Android, Mac OS or iOS, and Windows. When you hear the word computer, these laptops or desktops may come to mind, but these are not the only computers around you. Tablets, phones, game consoles, smartwatches, and TVs are all computers too, because they all perform the same basic tasks. So let's summarize what we learned in this video. A computer is an electronic device that processes, stores, and manages data based on instructions. Computers understand the binary language and convert it to forms we understand. They are made up of hardware and software. Operating systems are the type of system software. They act as a bridge between hardware and software. There are many types of computers, for example, tablets, phones, laptop, etc. Now that you know the basics, you're ready to learn more about the digital world.